Hello, our art friends. Today in Kitty Can Draw, we are going to learn how to draw the super speedy Sonic the Hedgehog. So grab your art supplies and let's start drawing Sonic the Hedgehog. First, draw a large curved line at the top and end it with a pointy end for the first spike. Then make two more spikes under it. Under the curve at the top, draw an ear and decorate it with a triangle inside. Draw another ear at the left side of the curved line. Now let's draw Sonic's large eye. It looks like the letter M, with the left side narrower than the right side. And draw the iris and the pupil inside, leaving a small spot showing light reflection. Below the left eye, draw an oval shape for the nose and color it, leaving a white spot to show light reflection. Draw the mouth part, which looks like a sausage. Inside, draw the smiling mouth itself. Draw the arm coming out from under the face. Then draw the top part of the glove. Then draw a few curved lines attached to each other to make the shape of the glove. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Draw an oval shape for a belly, intersecting the hand. Draw the other arm coming out from the other side of the belly. Attach to it the top part of the glove. Draw 4 fingers partially hidden behind each other. Ending with the 5th finger, the thumb. Draw a small curved line inside the palm for some texture. Draw 2 legs coming down from the belly. Then draw a small spiky tail and the pointy end of Sonic's back spike coming out from behind the hand on the right side. To draw the top part of the shoe, draw a small curved line at the bottom of the right leg, then 2 curved lines, one on each side of the leg. And close the spot with an incomplete oval shape at the bottom. Repeat the previous step, but just make it partially hidden behind the first shoe. Draw an oval shape for the shoe. Connect it at the back with a line to the top part. Decorate it with a line at the sole. And a couple of stripes at the top of the shoe. Repeat the previous step to make the other shoe. Just make it partially hidden behind the first one. Super! Now you can draw the famous Sonic the Hedgehog. Now grab the colors of your choice and let's start coloring. To achieve a 3D effect, pick a darker shade and go over some parts of the drawing. To show light reflection on any surface while cutting, leave a small line without color, or use a white pen or pencil over your color. To make the white color on the hands pop out, pick a black or gray pencil and go over the edges to make some shading. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.